Welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a logo with a transparent background. So in your browser, go to canva.com, click custom dimensions, type 1000 by 1000, make sure it's in pixels, create new design, and then click on elements, look for frames, and then choose the circular one or whatever frame you want. For this logo of mine, I'm going to pick the circle one. So let's enlarge this one. It's up to you on what dimension or what size you want. And then after that, upload your logo, or in my case, my logo is my own photo. So upload. Okay. I'm gonna choose another photo. So I'm gonna upload another photo of mine. Let's choose this one. Wait for it to upload. Sorry, my frame got deleted, so enlarge. Okay, go back to uploads, paste in your photo, give it a title, and then publish, download. I'm using a free version of Canva, so I don't have that automatic transparent background feature. So this is for those who are using also free versions of Canva. So okay, I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna save this in my folder. Okay, so now open another tab and go to lunapic.com. That's lunapic.com. Wait for it to load, and then go to edit, and then at the bottommost part there's a transparent background. Click on that, and then wait, I forgot to upload. First upload, click the upload, the first tab, choose file, and then select on the logo you want to have a transparent background. Okay, so here is our logo, or in my case, this my photo. So click on edit, and then click transparent background. So what you're going to do here is just click on the color, or on the part where you want a transparent background. So in this case, this outer part, this white, I'm gonna click this one. Wait for it to reload, and then here we go. We already have a transparent background. So save, click on save, and then let's rename this one second logo. Save it to your desktop or wherever you want to save it. So there you go. We already have a logo with transparent background. So thank you again for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.